Hey girl, hey, we here to see no question. Hey Miss Patty, what is the answer when there's no question? Hey Miss Patty girl, we just here to give you your flowers. We came to see the show. Hope to get to see you too. Love you.
Alright.
I'm Patty Jackson.
Okay, wait a minute. He's gonna video. So when I do this, go.
Hi Patty Jackson. I just want to give you your roses. You have been in this field for a very long time. You're a beautiful human being, and I appreciate you and everything and all the information that you give. I watch you every day on live, and here are your roses. You have a blessed, wonderful day.
Awesome.
Awesome. Awesome.